2006 Chevy Express Explorer Limited SE high top conversion van, clean Carfax, dealer serviced, gorgeous van, fade paint, fully loaded, flat screen TV, DVD system. It's a real beauty, high top, shows beautifully, has one little dent in the front bumper. For an 06, this thing is gorgeous. It's got Vision turbine wheels. I mean, look at this thing. Beautiful fade paint. Inside and out, gorgeous tan leather inside. Rear sunroof, fully loaded. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. We are happy to help at any time. Give the tour of the inside. This thing is absolutely stunning, inside and out. Look at the condition. Non-smoker all the way. Southern vehicle, no rust. Clean Carfax. Contact us at any time. Large flat screen TV, got your LED lighting. Rear folding electric bed. Everything works the way it should. I mean, this thing is fabulous. Heated front seats. Cooler. Very few minor flaws for normal wear and tear for the year. A little bit of the wood grain has some imperfections in it. Other than that, little dent in the front bumper. This thing is decked out, shows beautifully. Gorgeous van. 117,000 original miles. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. We are happy to help at any time. Runs great. It is running right now. We'll do a little test drive for you. No lights on. Runs perfectly. You got premium CD sound system, and this thing is decked out. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. We are happy to help at any time. Got your heated seats, leather seats, loaded out, decked out. 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. Thank you. Ask for Jeff or Ken.